Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with step 3 of building Revell 69 charger, the dashboard assembly. And so this step's quite a bit simpler than the previous two. You're going to need the dash and pad from this parts tree. You need the steering column and steering wheel from this parts tree. And officially, you're going to need this little guy right here on the clear parts tree, but we're going to talk more about that later. For right now, I'm going to get these parts off the trees and cleaned up. Alright, so here are the parts ready to go. We've got our dash pad, dash face, steering column, and steering wheel. And well, it's pretty straightforward. The one thing that you do want to make sure is that this line right here is what you use for lining up your dash face. So what you're going to want it to look like is that right there. You're going to want that to be a nice tight line straight across. Now I'm going to get this into some paint and I will be right back. Alright, just about finished now. We've got everything painted and assembled. I've got the base black with a little bit of silver for the bezels and switches. I did most of that with a silver colored pencil, but now it's time to get the instruments in. And according to the instructions, you're supposed to use this clear piece and the two decals, but they don't really tell you how exactly they want you to do that. It doesn't really make sense to put decals over the clear. I can't really put decals under the clear, so I'm going to show you how I do it. And I start by cutting out the gauges with little squares of the backer, still in place. And then I take a little bit of tacky glue here and put a little dot, not much, there we go. Put a little dot on each corner so that everything is clear of the gauge face itself. And then I just drop that on from behind. The square corners help me make sure that everything is lined up. Get that over the hole. And there you go. And this is what they look like in the end. You can see they're nice and centered, legible, and even have a little bit of sheen. So there is step 3 of building the 69 charger. I will be back next week with step 4. So check back then, and thanks for watching.